All right, so SnipeKit officially launched 8 days ago, and since then we made tons of updates. So, what is SnipeKit? SnipeKit is the lead finder and outreach tracker tool for copywriters. So, instead of spending 1 hour a day on prospecting, you can get all your prospecting done in 1 minute. So, here's a couple new features, and here's a quick breakdown of how SnipeKit works. Basically, we got 87,000 companies in here, way more companies than even last week, and we got more added every single day. Thousands are being added every single day. And instead of going onto Instagram or Google or LinkedIn or twiddling your thumbs and hoping for the best at finding out copywriting prospects, and then spending an hour searching through keywords and hashtags just to find maybe one or two people who might be a good fit, and then turns out they just ghost you. Instead, I wanted to create a tool that makes it easy and quick to find high paying and high quality customers for copywriting clients. So if you go into SnipeKit, what this does is you can go in and be like, my niche is ecom, and we got 17,000 ecom companies and counting, and I want to only target guys who are running ads right now. Okay, so we got 6,700 companies that are running Facebook or Instagram ads, right? The trouble with Instagram when you just go find clients, try to find clients, is half of them don't have a marketing budget, they're not running ads, they don't have an email list, and they're not established. So you end up wasting so much time on cheap and broke clients or prospects who don't have a budget for a copywriter anyways. SnipeKit solves that. So when you go use this tool, you can see who's running Meta ads or see who's running Google ads, right? All these people, 8,400 companies running Google ads, ecom companies right in here right away, right? And we got every kind of niche imaginable. Okay, you can go in and go after people in ecom, after info, service businesses, software, even nonprofits. Okay, so what are the updates for how this works and what to do now? All right, first feature update. When you go to lead lists, you can now go into your list, click on anybody in your lead list that you've taken from the search bar in the find leads section, and go into a custom list. And now you can add notes to this. So be like, okay, Rajani, MD, this guy is from Kentucky, local biz to me. He wants more email marketing help, right? Vitabolics. They ghosted me, but follow up again next month. Set a reminder. Okay. Flow's breath. Don't even know what this is, but you could write anything, right? Like um, running Facebook, Google ads, has email list, hot lead, right? You could even say like, oh, this person, this was an inbound lead, right? So you can add leads from outside SnipeKit into SnipeKit. So if you got an inbound lead on Instagram or whatever, anywhere else, you can also add them right in and track them all within here in the lead list tool. So you can track this right here. So right, so you can go. This is my first note. Hey, what's up? What's going on? So you can add notes to them. If you want to make custom notes on, like, you want to try to remember something, information on one of these brands, you can do that now. Okay. Next thing, when you go to find leads, right? The whole idea is let's go find some leads, click on these boxes and add them to a list, right? So now you can add your leads to a list so you can track who you want to outreach to. You're not going to go outreach to 87,000 companies, right? That's the companies that are in there now, but you're not going to go reach out to every single one of those because it doesn't make sense for your niche. You want to add them to your list. But let's just say we got this list here, right? We got these 10 health ecom brands and we've already got them in here. Well, when we go back to find those leads again, right? We want to go after ecom brands in health and supplements. Okay, we got 1,700 companies here. Well, I don't want to re-add the same people that I already have in my list. So what do? You click hide leads in my list. Look at the number 1724. All of a sudden, 1714. So the 10 people on my lead list, I'm not going to be double searching and re-adding and double clicking and wasting time. You can hide those people so you're only seeing fresh leads. Here's another scenario. Let's just say you scroll through this list and you're like, oh, like, I don't want to go after Country Lace Boutique, or maybe this person's in the wrong category, right? SnipeKit's new. There's people in the wrong category sometimes. Sometimes there's gonna be bugs and glitches and people who are in the wrong niche when they shouldn't be. Like Country Lace Boutique, hey, that's not a health and supplement brand. I don't want to see this company in my list or in the search. Click over here. Now you can archive leads. Okay, archive that lead. Let's say that you didn't want to go after designer wellness. Maybe that was in the wrong category or it just wasn't a good fit. Archive lead. Maybe you didn't want to go after American Dream because they're not the kind of supplement company you want to go after. Click the check mark and archive lead. Now when you go back to, look at this, 1714 companies. When you go back and reset this, go back to health and supplement companies, 1724, click hide leads in my list. Now click hide archive leads. And now you not only are hiding the leads who are already in your list, you're hiding companies that you don't want to reach out to at all to begin with. So again, you're only seeing fresh people. So it's much easier to sort through and add people to your list. So I want to add these 3 guys to my lead list now. I'm going to click on that check mark there, click add to list, and I'm just going to click health ecom. Boom. Now I got leads added to my list right over here. Another update with lists is that you can now actually move people between lists. So here's my health ecom list. These are the 3 people I just added. So let's just say I have, this is a broad category, health ecom, but maybe let's just say I just want to go after like supplements, people who sell supplements, right? So let's just say I actually want to create a new list that's just for ecom supplements, right? So just if I want to go more specific like there, but I have a bunch of these people in health ecom that I want to put in here. Now just go to health ecom, and let's just say these 3 are actually supplement companies too. You can click these over here, and you click move to ecom supplements. Boom. Now we move the lead list over there. We don't want to put them in the general. We want to put them into ecom supplements. There we go. Now we have a list just for our ecom supplements people, and now we have a general health ecom list over here. We want to move them over there, right? So that's the next thing. What else? Okay, so another thing you can do, this is really cool. One of my favorite updates is you'll notice here there's a couple different things here, and we'll get to this. If you look over here on the left side now, right, we find leads on this page. We have our lead list here. But how do we know if we're doing a good job with our outreach? How do we actually know if what we're doing is effective? Well, you don't know how good you are unless you look at the data. So now we have outreach stats within SnipeKit. So all of your outreaches are being tracked. So everything you're doing within SnipeKit. So every time you add a lead to your list, we have the added leads. Every time you send a DM, we have that tracked. Every time you get a reply, free value that's sent out. Every time you follow up, when you book a call and when you land a client, it's all tracked. Now, how is this tracked? It's actually tracked very simply. Every time you're in your list, right, and you're over here doing your thing, we have a very simple outreach tracker in SnipeKit. This is technically a CRM, okay? So every single time you add these people to your list, what do you do next? You need to go DM them. You need to start a conversation. You need to start the flow. But it's not a very simple process where you just go outreach and next thing you know, you got clients. You need to track this stuff. Every time you send a DM, you can now track it in SnipeKit. When you get a reply from a DM, you can track it. When you send out a free audit and sample, free value to outreach to somebody, you can track it. If you followed up, you can track it. If you landed someone or got someone to a call, you can track it. And when you land that client, you can track it. And you know what? Not only can you, but you should track this stuff. So every time you track this stuff, these different things, right? Send another DM, send another DM, send another DM, right? Got a response from this person, sent free value to that person, got a response from that person. Track it in SnipeKit. So then when you go over at outreach stats, you can see exactly how well you're doing, what your progress is, right? You can see, and this is the part where most people miss this, is that they come to me all the time as a copywriting coach. I've helped 900 students become copywriters. Been doing this for 7 years myself. People come to me all the time saying, hey, my outreach isn't working. What's going on? And I literally ask them a series of like 7 questions. Okay, how often are you outreaching? What's your social media profile look like? How many DMs are you sending a day? How many free value outreach are you sending a day? What does your DM look like? What does this look like? How many people are you getting on a call? How many people have you gotten on a call that you've closed? All these things, right? Because they might be doing everything right over here, but they might be doing one thing wrong in the pipeline, in the process. This is a process to outreach and do good outreach, okay? So SnipeKit allows you to track every stage of the pipeline. Think of this like this is your funnel. This is your outreach funnel. So now you can track how well you're converting from DM to reply. So, and I can tell you right now what the average reply to an initial DM is. It's 10 to 15%. That's what averages. So if you find that your DM to reply rate is under 10%, you're probably doing something wrong here. You're probably not converting people because you're screwing up this part of the process, right? Let's just say your free value to every time you send a free outreach audit sample um, and get people on a call, maybe your free value to call percentage is like 1%. It's like, okay, well, maybe you're doing good here, but you're screwing up something here. Now, what could be going wrong? Probably in most cases, your free value isn't good enough. Like, probably. Or you're maybe just not following up enough. But if we see that the numbers are less than average here, it can help you better understand where to improve. That's the whole point with the outreach stats, is you can see what you're doing right and what you're doing wrong and where you can improve. So what? So you can land clients faster. You got another percentage, your call to client. So basically your close rate on a call. If your close rate on a call is under 40, 30, 20%, you're probably doing something wrong. My average student has about a 70, 80% close rate. So if you're, and that's above average. If you are under 30, 40% though, you probably got to improve your calls. You probably got to learn how to do sales calls and discovery calls better, right? And then we have a general percentage here, which goes all the way from first DM sent to actually landing client. And so knowing what this number is and being able to track this over time will help to see where where you need to improve and what you're getting better at and what you need to get improve your progress, right? So we have all your whole outreach funnel here. We got your list breakdown, so each individual list. So I can see my health ecom stats here and all the stats on that. I can see my ecom supplement stats and see those broken down too. On top of that, you can also see your outreach activity by day. So if you're like, oh man, why was I getting more people on calls? Like, I felt like I was getting people on calls like 3 weeks ago a ton, but now I'm just not. It's like, well, maybe you were doing more outreach activity 2 weeks ago overall, right? It's like, why do you feel like the past week you haven't been making as much progress? Well, maybe you haven't been outreaching as much. This tracker will show you how much you're actually doing. So you can see, right, on March 18th, I sent 20 DMs, I sent 1 free value, and I sent 7 follow-ups. Great. Oh, but the next day I only did 11 total activities. Oh, that was less than I want, right? So this helps you stay accountable to yourself to how much you're actually doing and what you need to do more of if you're not doing enough, right? And so final thing here on the outreach stats, and this is something I'm really excited about, is I used to be like highly addicted to video games. I love video games. I love board games. I love them all. I don't play many video games anymore because I made business my video game. And so I want to make business your video game too with the daily streaks. So now we have badges every time you are doing the right thing, right? So I recommend sending 10 initial DMs per day in the Sniper Bomb outreach system, which is what I teach, right? 10 initial DMs per day. So if you send your 10 DMs for the day, you get this DM machine badge lit up, right? Just like a video game, right? I notice other companies do this, like Peloton. When I go in the Peloton, I get rewards and badges. I noticed Beehive does this really well. They gamified using their tool, and I was like, you know what? Let's make this fun. So when you get 10 DMs done per day, boom, you get the badge. Every day you get this complete, you get a streak. Okay. So if you send 1 free value outreach per day, which is what I recommend as a minimum, you get the bomb dropper lit up, like these ones are lit up, right? If you're following up 2 times per day, which is an important part of the process, you get the follow-up king badge. And every day you get this done on the daily, you get a streak. Okay. And you can see these up here. So we dive into our lead list and go to ecom supplements. Okay. And go, let's just say I DM these guys, these guys, these guys. And if I go back to outreach stats, boom, now I got the DM machine lit up right there. Okay. So I want to gamify this. I want to make it fun. And I want to make sure that you understand what this is all about. Because at the end of the day, Snipekin can help you find high quality leads, people who have money, copywriting clients who actually have a marketing budget, right? But you actually have to do this stuff. It's not just about finding leads and adding them to a list and hoping for the best. The whole point is so that you actually do the things that you're required. So you can DM those people every day. When you actually DM people, you're going to start conversations. When you actually send that free value, you're going to start landing clients. My average student lands a client after sending about 30 of these on average. Okay. So anybody can do this. Anybody can send 10 DMs per day. Anybody can send 1 free value audit sample per day. Everybody can send 2 follow-ups per day. And it's never been easier to do all 3 of these, which is what it takes to land clients, than with SnipeKit, because now you have it all tracked. Now, when you go in and look at all your companies you're going after, right? You have the lead finding tool, so you can find the high quality leads, guys who are running ads, guys who have an email list, guys who are on Instagram, who have a certain follower count in a specific niche that you're going after. You can find the people now in one place. You can track these people now in one place with one outreach tool to track every single stage of the process, right? And now you can actually look and see how well you're actually doing with everything, to track to see how well you actually are doing with the outreach stats, right? You can see every part of the process. And from now on, like, you don't have to guess whether your outreach is working. You don't need to guess where leads are. You don't need to guess what, oh, what are the 30 leads, these people who are slipping through the cracks, I'm not outreaching, tracking them properly. You don't have to worry about that anymore because it's all in here. Okay. So if you want to get started with SnipeKit today, click my link in bio. The only way to access SnipeKit is by joining my Six-Figure Copy Academy, which is my paid group coaching program for 100 copywriters, which includes my entire six-figure copywriter course, a 90-day roadmap, learn how to write copy, learn how to land clients. My entire outreach system pairs with this. It's this entire tool. You get that. You get weekly coaching calls with me and a few other copywriters. You get weekly writing feedback directly from me. It's not outsourced to other coaches or whatever. It's literally me and you and 100 other copywriters in there, many of them already making a full-time income. We got daily copywriting accountability. We got monthly challenges. We got a whole bunch more in there. We got a daily copy job board on top of that. So everything you need to build a 10K a month and beyond freelance copywriting business. So if you want to get started with SnipeKit today, click my link in bio, click the link in the description wherever you're watching this, and get started and dive in and start landing clients.